You make sure Agent Janitor is alone. Check the drawers for guns.
Well, somebody's controlling the system.
Trees are in the system.
I'm logged in right now.
I can see the root directory, but I still can't change it.
Joining our new